crypto bond. So on this episode, I'll be showing you. I welcome you back. So on this episode, I'll be showing you how you can get cryptocurrency for free, BTC, USDT, USDC, any cryptocurrency you want to get online. So just make sure you stay tuned to the video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you're a old subscriber, make sure you like, share the video. So let's go to this video. So as you can see, this Echoes is a platform where you can mine cryptocurrency online. Very easy to mine cryptocurrency online. So you can click on this try mining, or you can sign it directly. But let's go for this try mining first. But first to try for you to start mining, you have to have an account with them. So if you already have an account with Echoes, just sign in. And if you haven't have an account with them, just go back and sign in. Very easy. Or click on this sign up right here. So let's click on sign up. Input your mail, your password, and click on continue. And make sure you accept the terms and conditions. That's just it. So now I've successfully logged into the account. As you can see, I'm having zero USD, $0 because this is my let's check my main dashboard. We're having zero as you can see, zero in our wallet. So now just click on this activate after you just register the account. Get one day BCC minery experience. So as you can see, simple one step, simple, quick, expire. So I've read and agree, activate. That's how you can just activate for one day. After one day, you'll be charged. So they just want to know how it works. So let's just wait for it to activate and start mining our coin. As you can see, everything is now loading and we're having try mining. So okay, it will activate within 24 hours. Stay tuned for mining results. Okay, so that's the first step. We will be waiting for the second, third, fourth step. Very easy to do. Activation in progress. So you have to just queue for this website to activate and you will get maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 USD as a bonus. So let's check other things on this platform. You can click on this general setting. This for the support. If you have any issue, click on setting, main dashboard, cloud mining, promo code, anything you want to do, and buy cloud. You want to buy cloud. The buy cloud is for if you need to extend your wallet, like you don't have cloud, so you have to buy it. Let's go for the setting, the actual setting. And some people will ask me, how can I withdraw on the platform? This is the withdrawal stuff. Just click on the withdrawal button. As you can see, only legacy wallet are accepted. You can withdraw in any type, maybe Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, XRP. Just click on withdraw now, and the thing will successfully withdraw to your account. That's how you do withdraw. Very easy on the platform. Just input the wallet and click on withdraw now. That's how you can withdraw on the platform. This is how you can earn on the platform without doing all this stuff. Just click on the referral button and just copy, enter referral link names, like your name. You want the name to be showing on your referral link. So I will prefer going for crypto bond, as you all know. So let's go for crypto bond. So same thing. So just click on generate referral link. Okay, create account of referral link. As you can see, we have created another one. 1 6 2025. We have created our referral link. So this is it. Yeah, just copy your referral link, paste it to your friends and family as well. Leave copy. I'll put the link in the description below. Make sure you do well to click the link so I can earn some stuff from you guys. So you'll be waiting for, because I'll be doing another video. So after the stuff is completed within 24 hours, I will have to come here and show you guys again. So if you love watching the video, if you love anything on the video, if you gain anything on this video, Please make sure you subscribe, share to your friends and family. I love you all guys. See you on the next video.